Hi, I'm Kelly and welcome to the Okeechobee Libraries channel. We're in the middle of our summer reading club, Oceans of Possibilities, and for our adult take-home craft this month, we will be showing you how to make fishnet mason jars. So what you'll need for this is twine, and I have cut 10 24-inch strips of twine, one that's 12 inches and also one that's 6 inches. You will also need scissors, and I also use tape. So let's get started. First you'll take your mason jar, and then you'll take your one that you've cut that's 12 inches. Take my tape, and I'm just going to tape each side. Then you're going to take each of your 10 strips and you're going to fold them in half, and so it makes a loop at the bottom. And then you're going to take that loop, so the looped end first, and you're going to put it underneath your string that you have secured on the table, and you're just going to bring the two ends through the loop and then pull. You're going to do the other 9 the same exact way. You're going to start with one end, so the first string put aside. Then you're going to connect your second string to your third string, and you're going to make a kind of a diamond shape. And then I just put another knot in there and pull it. And then you'll take your third one and your fourth one, and you'll do the same thing. And then you're going to take your fourth and your fifth, and you're just going to continue to do that until you get to the end, and you're always going to leave that end string hanging there. And you'll start in the second row, and you'll take the first one aside, and you'll take the second one aside, and you'll work on 3 and 4. So you'll do the same thing, making a diamond shape. And then you'll do 5 and 6. So you should end up with something like this. The strings that have not tied yet are going to be what's tied when you get it on the mason jar. So you want to take the string you started with, you're just going to wrap it around and tie it to the mason jar. Okay, so it should look something like this. And then the back, I'm just going to do the same thing and tie the ends together all the way down, making their diamond. And if you just kind of watch your design, you'll know where to tie the two together. So then when it's all done, it should look something like this. Then the next step, you're going to turn your mason jar over. You're going to take your little 6-inch twine. You want to make the loop a little smaller than the bottom of your mason jar. Okay? And then you're going to take all your string and you're going to tie it around your little circle so that you get all the loose ends in there, and it pulls it a little tighter. Once everything's done, and you're just going to trim these off with your scissors. And there's your design there. So that's how you make the fishnet mason jar. If you like this, like and subscribe, and check back for more take-home kits for our summer reading. Have a safe summer, and we'll see you later. Bye.